Alright, so what I did is I went to Amazon, because we all go to Amazon, and I bought the Meguiar's 3-step fiberglass restoration system. So what you get in there, you get the oxidation remover. That's the first one you got to do. You get the high gloss polish. That's step 2. And then the third step is pure wax. I think this was 30 bucks, under 30 bucks. So what they tell you, step 1, after washing surface with any of Meguiar's premium marine RV washes, you know, because you should use theirs, use the oxidation remover, number 49, to eliminate most scratches, light to moderate oxidation, stubborn stains, and tough water spots. Then you're going to take the polish, step 2. Immediately after cleaning with the oxidation remover, apply Meguiar's polish, number 45. This pre-polish nourishes the finish with rich feeder oils that receive color and create swirl-free deep gloss shine. Then 3, to protect the newly polished surface, apply Meguiar's Pure Wax number 56. This tough, long-lasting wax is a blend of polymers and waxes, including carnauba, the most durable natural wax in the world. The special blend enhances depth of color and preserves the finish with long-lasting protection. So there we go. We're going to do this, and it's going to take a while, because basically you're talking about waxing your vehicle 3 times. So it's hard to show it, but I think in some of these pictures you can see the oxidation and see some swirl lines that I was dealing with. Like most other RVs, I will get those drip marks under that black sealant strip, but this stuff got it off. It cleaned it right up. But you can see all the swirl marks on this and the oxidation. I don't know, maybe it's visible. There's swirl lines there. Okay. It also got off some like set-in road grime, so that's cool. Alright, we're going to start with the oxidation remover. And because this vehicle is white, the camera's really not capturing the oxidation very well. So what my hope is, I'm going to try to do this side, and then later on tonight, maybe the other side will be able to see some of the oxidation and do a comparison. So we'll just show a second so you know that I'm actually putting it on. So this actually took me a couple days. I did it early in the morning and then late in the evening because you don't want to do it in direct sunlight. Small sections at a time, wipe it off, and then move on to the next small section. Alright, so again, it's really tough to see. But if you're looking to get rid of some oxidation on fiberglass, that kit works pretty good. Now it takes some work. It took 3 passes. You do the oxidation, then the gloss, and then the wax over, so you got to do it 3 times, but it came out nice and smooth. And the only thing is, for me, I don't use the buffer on the decals, so when it's all said and done, I do those by hand. Just put a little wax on by hand and then wax it off. Meguiar's stuff works. There are many ways to do it, and this is one. Again, I really wish I could have shown you better, but the camera just wasn't picking it up very well. But it got the oxidation off really well. So if you got a 18-year-old RV that's looking a little oxidized, give this stuff a try. I highly recommend it. So my process was I put it on with a buffer, then removed it by hand, and then would rebuff to get any excess off on each of the 3 passes of this stuff. But it really did turn out pretty well. Let's look, see again. I don't know how well any of that stuff showed, but I got a good gloss to it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. Both sides. Alright, I sure did have to wash all my buffer pads. I got like 6 or 8 of them, but they were getting washed a lot. Oh, and for me, on the non-fiberglass parts, the metal, I just waxed it. I didn't do the oxidation. But it looks pretty good. Alright, stuff like this protects your vehicle. Now have a great and wonderful day.